Hi, Fran Torsen here. I'm creating a couple of checklists for optimizing your videos for YouTube and for Facebook. And those checklists are a little bit different. You have videos, you've customized them, you're ready to go, and you want to get as much bang for the buck as you possibly can, right? The objective when we upload the video is to do what we can behind the scenes so that you can get the most organic reach possible, reach as many people, and attract more clients and customers. So the first thing that we do when we upload the video is be sure that the file name of the video includes the keyword you are targeting. So make sure you have that all set when you upload your video. When you want to upload your video to YouTube, of course, you go to the top right corner on the home page and upload that. So that much you know. Once you've uploaded your video, it will appear and you can fill in the blanks. I'm going to take a video I have already uploaded. So assuming you have some already, I'm going to go to baby boomer housing trends and find an old baby boomer video I have. Let me see here. Yep, look at it. It comes right up at the top of the organic search results, doesn't it? Here we've got a couple of ads and this comes up first. And here's our video. This is a video I'm going to be changing pretty soon, or I'll be updating it because this was based on 2014 trends. But here we go. Here is a info and settings. We click that and we'll see exactly what we need. So let's go back to our list yet. Okay, first is upload a thumbnail image with the keyword. You want, again, make sure you've got the keyword in the file name, and we need an image that's 1280 by 720. And as it turns out, I don't have a custom thumbnail on this video. So when I uploaded this quite some time ago, Facebook gave me 3 thumbnails and I thought this one was fine and I clicked on that. But let's create a custom thumbnail here, and I've got one ready. See, isn't that nicer? So I created a thumbnail in my creator software. It's 1280 by 720. I'm going to export that as a JPG. Now, if you're using a similar video or you're using a baby boomer video in your market area, you might want to say baby boomer housing trends in, if I was doing it here in State College, Pennsylvania, baby boomer housing trends in wherever you are. So now I have my JPEG, right? Incidentally, this is Laughing Bird. This is my creator software. There are lots and lots of templates for creating thumbnails and YouTube channel art, all kinds of good stuff, and I really enjoy it. So here we go. So I'm going to go back to YouTube now, and I'm going to insert that custom thumbnail. Oops, I'm going to go back to the desktop, to my Stinger art, and I'm going to upload that. Now that thumbnail image will replace the image that you see right here that was generated by YouTube. And it really is very, very neat as far as, just looking professional. I think it's a great idea. Sometimes they give you a great image. Sometimes they just give you a great image. But it's fun to make that. And look, that's actually worked. That image that I selected works very, very well with the image that was there. Whoops. And the next thing we want to do is add keyword into tags and related keywords, right? So let's take a look at this and see where we have information with text. We have a headline right here. We have a description area, and we have a section here with keywords. Now, what I've done is I have optimized this for people who are looking at video creation tools, because that's what I'm selling here. So we're going to add some tags, and I'll show you how you can make this work in your market. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is have a good headline. Make sure your keyword is in the headline too, if you can. And then, all right, that's a check, right? And then let's go check out some suggested keywords. Now there's a very cool keywords tool here, and I'll make sure we have this link under the video. This is a kind of a Google AdWords Lite. It's free. You can search for keywords and then it gets some good ideas. So if I'm looking for baby boomer housing, right? I'm looking for Google. I can look for the top words for YouTube, Bing, and Amazon. So let me, again, I'm going to go with Google now. You can play with this later. I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to make it English, and I'm just going with google.com, but you can search in other, other countries and elsewhere. I'm going to keep it simple. And I'll get suggestions from Google, or I'm sorry, from the keyword tool about what might work. I found 33 unique keywords, and this is pretty neat. So I could see that this would be very neat. Now, what you see here are different blurred areas. Though that's the additional information you can get if you use the actual keyword tool at Google, and then that would be another link altogether. It is free. You need to have a Google AdWords account to be able to access that, but it doesn't cost any money to have the account. So you don't actually have to be advertising on Google to have it. For the purposes of this video, and unless you really want to do some serious down and dirty SEO, and that's all you're doing, you don't really need to get that fancy and that deep. This is going to give you some great ideas. These are some really, really good searches. So now look at this. Baby boomer housing preferences, right? What I can actually do is I can click on the ones I want to keep, right? And then I can export those to a CSV file and keep them in my file so that whenever I am doing anything on, writing articles about baby boomers, writing, putting together a blog piece, writing an art, something, a follow-up, and to include words in the description, I can use these. But just for the heck of it, let me just show you what we do. So we'll copy one of those here, right? We'll go back to YouTube and we'll add that here. All right, so we've got another one. We're going to go back. And I'm just going to keep adding words that are specific. Now, if you're doing this, again, in your market, you may want to say baby boomer retirement homes in St. Louis, baby boomer retirement homes in State College. Put in your particular market area. All right, so there is that. That's the keywords on here. Write 200 to 500 word video description using your keywords and links back to your website. All right, that's here. And use as much space as you can. You get a lot of real estate here for information. So, tell a story, give some background, put in a link, maybe 2 links back to your website, put that closer to the top of the information over here and take advantage of that. What else do we have here? Add annotation to subscribe to channel and add a YouTube card. So let's see here. We're going to so one of the first things I might do is I might take this headline over here, see, and share it once this is live. Now I've already done that here, so it's not going to come up, but you can share that on Google and YouTube. Add it to a playlist. Again, that's probably I'm going to add that to my checklist. Add it to a playlist. Create a playlist of that has a keyword with your market area. Homes in St. Louis. Neighborhoods in St. Louis. If you have a neighborhood, if your house is in a neighborhood, if your house is in the Holmes Foster neighborhood in State College, then make sure that Holmes Foster is one of the keywords you use. And then add annotations. So up here at the top, you can have an end screen and annotations. An end screen is kind of a bumper image, just like the image that you see down here. But call me at yada, yada. We first, oops, you know what I want to do first? I want to save my changes before I go up there. All right, now I'm going to go to the annotations. And I can add an element here. So I can say subscribe, right? I can create a subscribe to my, to my channel, and I can add that here. I can add a link to my website. I can promote another channel or promote a video playlist. So that's kind of neat. I'm not going to go real deep into that right now. I'll do that in another video. The other thing to do is to add a card. You can learn more about cards here. My homework for you is to go here and read about the cards. Now I will show you one more little thing back here. All right. I'm going to show you what to do in advanced settings, and this is the last item on the checklist. Add video location in advanced settings. So if your video is in State College, see that? I can add that. All right, so you can add an address, you can add a city, you can add a neighborhood, and what happens when you do that is that this video becomes searchable in your area. And if, what I suggest really right now is that if you have videos on YouTube, property videos, anything, and you haven't done this, then go back and just take a few minutes on each video and do that, and be sure to do this. Don't forget to click the save, and that video will show up in the geographic searches as well. So if you haven't done that, go and do that now. Again, there's a lot here. You can just take a look at this. It's pretty easy to understand. And you can take a look. So you can download this checklist right underneath the video. And if you are a member of the massive real estate video library, there are more in-depth videos about this in the area, in our member area, and lots more to come.